every day. It's been a gorgeous sunny day in London whilst we've been effectively not allowed to go out.
But today we're going to go to gel and back. While we're inside, I wanted to try some colour gel only lighting. We've all seen those YouTube videos on colour theory, so today's challenge is to put them into practice. To start with, we're going to try some 2 light setups using some complementary colours. Complementary colours can be found opposite each other on the additive colour wheel. It's worth remembering that if you're using gels with modelling bulbs, that if the modelling bulb touches the gel, it will eat it. This might be a little bit controversial, but I hate green on skin tones. Yeah. The opposing colours, when they mix on the skin, give this nasty banding down the middle. This isn't the right video to get into physics on this, but I can give you 3 ways to avoid colour banding. The first is to decrease your saturation, the second is to increase your luminance, and the third is to not have the 2 lights meet in the middle of your picture.
You don't understand, this final picture is the best picture.
Is it you looking amazing? Oh, it's got the cat in it. I won't ask which one of us you love more.
No, it's definitely the cat.
So we've done a few 2 light setups using complementary colours. I'm going to try some 3 colour setups using 3 lights and see what we get there. The 3 colour setup, often known as a triadic, is a simple triangle drawn across your colour wheel, and for each point of the triangle you would choose that colour. To get full control over the colours in Photoshop, I mainly use solid colour adjustment layers, which I set to multiply and then masked in and out of the image in order to get full control over where the colour was, because if you adjust the image as a whole, you tend to be playing one colour off another. I would say that it's really good fun to have a go and just try loads of colour gel lighting, and you can get some very, very cool results without too much effort. So it's really worth it. It's been a great day doing it. I might change my ways a little bit, but you know, let the images speak for themselves and see what you think. Do you think we're good together? Do we gel?